everyone! So it's my dad's 59th birthday and we are going to have a staycation at Trove Resort. I've been there once na pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog, so hindi ako nakapag-room tour, etc. etc. And now is the time. Ayan, ayan, naputol tuloy. So, we're just going to have a simple staycation, a simple dinner, just to celebrate my dad's birthday. And of course, I'm going to vlog na din and do a review at this resort hotel located at Batac, Ilocos Norte. Actually, maganda siya guys. Para siyang may ambience na Baguio, Tagaytay. So, it's already 2:15. Late na kami sa early check-in. Oh no. Where are you going? Where are you going?
For Batacs.
No, I mean, where are you going? Tomorrow yung Botox na eh.
I'm going somewhere over the rainbow.
Over the rainbow. There's no rainbow today because it's sunny. Look up.
Today's resort hotel feature is Treasure Trove, a family-friendly resort hotel located at Batac, Ilocos Norte. The exact address is on the description box below. This is the main entrance where the function hall is also located.
So this is going to be our beds for 2 days and 1 night, guys. So ito yung economy room nila. Malaki na siya. And also may mga complimentary tayo dito, just like coffee and then later on yung water. Request natin yan. And this is how the CR looks like. Hindi ko may kaka-check out lang dito. Kasi basta yung floor. Or baka naglinis lang sila. And of course, ayan, may mirror. Pagbukas mo siya. And then, that's the sink. May bidet na sobrang taas. Para siyang shower like.
And the best view of this resort is their garden area. It is a good place for an event, very nature-friendly, right? Parang Tagaytay Baguio vibes nga eh. By the way, they have restaurant on site. They have indoor and outdoor. So this is how the outdoor looks like. They also have semi-Olympic pool with nipa huts where you can also rent if you are not going to book a room in their hotel. I did mention earlier about their on-site restaurants, so here's their indoor naman. Don't worry about the food they offer. It is affordable, plus they have set meals. So I guess time for us to order something for dinner. And by the way, family and I are here to celebrate my dad's birthday. So this is his birthday cake from Sweet Cherish.
We're done with the dinner. And nakailang rice ata ako kanina. Shucks. Kasi mostly kami ni daddy yung naghati dun sa rice platter. Eh, sobrang dami. Ang dami kasi nung serving size nila. So, the total bill is 1,320. Very affordable, guys. Because we had 1,320 ma. Yeah. Rice platter, which is 120, and then baby back ribs with the side dish na yon, and then rosemary chicken and the lechon sisig, which is very good, guys. Very affordable na 1,320. Yeah, you can change clothes naman. So that's it for today. We're not going to swim anymore kasi medyo malamig yung tubig and malamig din yung weather today. So, baka hindi din ako matagal. And, hanggang 9 PM lang kasi yung pool nila. So, we don't have enough time to swim, guys. And mag-change pa ng clothes. So, I guess this is good night.
Only coffee and chocolate drink is being offered every morning aside from the complimentary breakfast which is served as early as 7 a.m. So combination of Filipino and continental breakfast for us. By the way, there's also a coffee shop named City Brew just beside the restaurant. For more details of this resort hotel here in Ilocos Norte, check on the description box below.